Hello from Praia da Agudela in Porto, Portugal. More specifically, the area that's called Lavra, but I have seen many signs that it says Matosinhos, so it might be part of some municipality or region that's part of Matosinhos. I wouldn't be surprised. But look at this. It's beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful sandy beach. To be fair, the sand is wet, maybe due to the fact that there were very high and big waves during the night. I mean, now they're still big and strong, as I have seen them in the previous beach adventures earlier today, and you have also seen. So wish me luck that I will survive also this beach adventure, because it's getting more and more dangerous. So this is the beach adventure number 7 today, and it's 1:45 p.m. right now, 21 degrees, beautiful weather. It's around 13.7 in the sea based on the statistics on the internet, which are pretty accurate. But look at that, look at that. The ocean has sunk inside, I believe. I'm not sure if that is the normal position. However, the waves are still strong, even though they're not going as long enough into the coast. But that's how the beaches are on the Atlantic Ocean. Yes, this is the Atlantic Ocean. Massive water surface that I have been swimming several times before in many different countries, including Gambia, Cape Verde, Madeira, Gran Canaria, Tenerife, and even in the Caribbean when I was there. So technically that's the Caribbean Sea, but it's part of the Atlantic Ocean as such. But the Caribbean Sea is beautiful. The color is amazing. However, it doesn't have that big waves like the Atlantic Ocean, which I really like. And it seems that I'm gonna be able to take a nice swim here as the waves, woo, I was about to say have slowed down, but not. They are coming now even more stronger. I feel it in my legs. Let's try to swim. I would then just try to go into the water once and then play with the waves here in Praia da Agudela. Let's see, just not to get sunk in by the waves inside. Good. Good, this is good. Let's go! Woo! That's more like it. Ah, beautiful. Now the waves are non-existent, so I can also dive several times without being sunk inside by the tide. So, woo, it's very deep here. It's getting very, very deep here. And now here for a wave. I was able to remain steady despite the strength of the wave. Oh my god, this is so amazing. I'm so happy right now. Even though it's a bit dangerous to be playing like this with the waves, I really enjoy it, believe me. All the pebbles went into my feet. It hurts. Look at that. Beautiful. I got sucked in by the wave and carried away. It's so dangerous, believe me. It, it's a lot more dangerous than it looks like. I'm trying to navigate here and balance. So let's wrap up before I get injured. So thanks a lot for watching this amazing episode from Praia da Agudela, Porto region, Portugal. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.